And we're gonna go find like a secret hidden waterfall that I don't think a lot of people know about, but nope. Mark is literally making us walk through nothing. Probably just so he can use his machete. Oh, holy Toledo! Hello, adventurers, YouTubers, whatever. Oh, Mark's got something exciting going on.
I'm bushwhacking.
It's Labor Day weekend. We've just been hanging out around the house, but we're gonna go for a hike, and we're gonna go find like a secret hidden waterfall that I don't think a lot of people know about, but nope. Not like 100% sure if there's like a trail to go there, so it could really be an adventure, and hopefully I will want to do it.
You'll be fine. You'll be alright.
We might be trekking through some stuff, but Mark says it's a cool waterfall and it's really close to our house, so
go get it.
Come along.
Come on, let's go that way.
Come adventure with us. Yay. We're here, and so are other people apparently, which I don't think we were expecting.
Well, probably just some locals. Local yokels.
All these cars left their windows open, which is weird, but I guess since we're way out in the middle of nowhere, they don't really care, but anyways, so we'll probably see some other people out here, which is interesting, and I got my new pack. Got it at TJ Maxx. It's obviously not like a serious backpacking backpack, but it's a good day hiking backpack, so I figured we'd bring it along because we always need something to hold our water bottles and our camera equipment. So, that being said, we're gonna get our stuff together and get on the road. On the road again. Can't wait to get on the road again. Only when you're hiking close to home do you run into people from high school on the trails.
It happens.
Okay, we've encountered our first adventurous part of the trail. We have to walk over that.
Homemade lumber board.
Okay, let me go first. Crack, crack, crack. I think Mark wanted to bring his machete just so he could cut stuff down.
You're probably right.
You having fun with that?
I am.
I think I see water. I think we're close. Let's check it out. Mark's already down there. Oh, holy Toledo! That's freaking awesome. Who knew? What?
This is a little, there's a bigger one than this, like the river part.
I know, but that's so cool. Ooh, I just want to jump in. Found some little rock stacks. How cute are they? to the things that are literally so close to your house. Like, it was maybe 10 minutes to get here, and I can't believe I've never been here before.
Been here for years.
Stinker. Yeah, but I don't know that. I didn't grow up out here.
How long you lived out here? 11 years, and you've had this here the whole time. And this is the little waterfalls. There's like a big one up the river.
I didn't know about it though. I don't live here. Looks like it gets pretty deep down there.
Yeah, it is.
Everyone else is making a little rock stacky thing here. Well, there's nobody else here, but it looks like people have come and made little rock stacky things here. And so I want to make one too. And so I'm going to find some rocks. Mark is literally making us walk through nothing. Probably just so he can use his machete. He wants to get to the top of the waterfall. It's freaking hot though. I just want to go back and swim. Should have brought our water shoes so we could play in the water. Alright, well, we're heading back to the car. We had a lot of fun at the falls. Tried to go to the top, but it didn't really work out very well.
Chelsea didn't want to. She wasn't going to bushwhack to get up there, so I'm going to have to come back. We want to
be walking through bushes and thorns.
So I'll come back and cut a good trail and drive a car through for her.
That just gives us another adventure to do.
We're going to get to the top. We're going to the top one. It's more cool.
Okay, well, we'll see it someday, so hopefully we'll get that on here sometime soon. Anyways, thanks for coming along with us. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future adventures and videos. We've got lots of fun stuff coming up. We're gonna go check out a really awesome waterfall tomorrow. And we do have a Disney World trip coming up. I'm sure we'll show you some of that too. All right, there's the truck, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Subscribe.
See ya. Mark pulled over to pick some blackberries.
This is what called drive-through.
This is the blackberry drive-through.
Oh man.
Are they good?
Oh. You want one?
No, that's okay.
Oh man. I'm telling you, babe. These.
Some good blackberries?
Some good blackberries. And you gotta be sure to get the ones with the bugs on, give you a little extra protein.